Ever wondered how that magic box that gives you cash is actually made? You know, the ATM? We use them all the time, but the story of their creation is a fascinating journey of high-tech engineering and hardcore security. Today, we're going behind the scenes to uncover the secrets of how cash dispensing machines are built from scratch. It's a world where precision, robotics, and Fort Knox-level security collide. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the cash dispensing mechanism. This isn't just a simple drawer. It's a complex system of rollers, belts, and sensors designed to do one thing perfectly: count and deliver your money without a single mistake. The process begins with sheets of high-grade steel. These are laser-cut with incredible precision to form the chassis and internal components. Robotic arms then bend and weld these pieces together, forming the rigid frame that will house all the technology. Think of it like building the skeleton of a high-tech beast. Next up, the brains of the operation, the electronic components. We're talking about the motherboard, the processor, and all the circuit boards that control the machine. These are assembled in a super clean, static-free environment. Technicians looking like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie carefully place tiny microchips and processors onto the boards. These boards are then run through an oven in a process called reflow soldering, which melts the solder paste and permanently fixes the components. Every single board is then rigorously tested. A single faulty connection could mean the difference between a smooth transaction and a machine error, and nobody wants that. Now let's talk about the most crucial part for us users: the cash cassettes.